Welcome everybody, this is Brain Incite, where learning comes to life. In this video, we're gonna talk about 10 social skills every student should know. A kid's social development is a very important thing and every parent should pay attention to it. Social skills are going to be a crucial part of their personal and professional development. Developing new skills will become tough as you grow, so you should teach these basic skills to your child at an early age. There are few basic skills. It can help any child feel more confident when he or she encounters new situations and enable them to meet the demand of any social encounter. After home, one of the key places to learn social skills is in a school. When education and positive social skills are the standards, students feel safer and happier. Alright, let's look at some basic social skills that every student should know. 1. Introducing yourself. Introducing yourself is a very basic skill. It gives a certain kind of boost to your character, providing you with a positive attitude to interact with others. Children should teach to make eye contact, shake hands, smile, and respond politely during a conversation. 2. Asking for help. Significantly, we get used to positive things instead of negative ones. One should never vacillate in asking for help in need. There should be no shame in needing someone's help with something. 3. Participate. Particularly when it does not seem as amusing and desirable, if kids learn early on to take part in various social and academic activities, they will be more open and selfless than other children. As a parent or teacher, you can try a mixture of activities so that the first few results in really fun for them. 4. Share. Sharing is a great virtue. Don't force children to share if possible. At an early age, those are very precious to them. So you should try to create an environment where they would know sharing is a way to show love. You can play games that include sharing. 5. Making an apology. Wherever you went wrong, being sorry should not become an egotistical problem. It is a sign of good character that when you did any mistake or something wrong, go ahead and apologize for it. To realize your mistakes and accept them is a great thing. You should not be ashamed of apologizing. 6. Collaboration skills. Most classrooms substitute an environment of culture and freedom along with teamwork and collaboration. A culture of collaboration is a very necessary skill for students which should be developed from their childhood. Employers of the future will require to quickly adapt to a culture of collaboration. Students will need to cooperate with others within and outside of the organization using several new technologies. 7. Problem-solving skills. Students face various academic and non-academic problems during school time. So it has been very necessary to learn problem-solving skills to resolve problems themselves. In this rapidly changing education, students can solve problems, provide ideas, and help society. 8. Soft skills. Parents and teachers should spend the time to teach students soft skills, such as time management and organizational skills. These skills are very important in the context of a child's personality development. 9. Controlling emotions. A child should know how to control their emotions. Everyone who meets us is not our friend or our caretaker. So controlling your emotions is very important. 10. Showing appreciation. Children do not understand appreciation until they are taught. It is a responsibility of parents and teachers to teach kids to appreciate what they have understood and they are less fortunate than others. And as a result, social skills are very significant, so kids need to learn them early. While every kid may learn differently, the above mentioned skills will help them in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you next time.